Hey, how's it going? It's early in the morning. We're on Mindoro Island. Come on, let's go. And we're going down to a beach here on Mindoro. So we left our farm resort place we were staying at yesterday, and we decided to do a little adventure. I'm not sure how long we're going to stay on Mindoro. I was thinking a week, but maybe less, because I think we want to get to Cebu and Bohol and check those, put more energy into those places. But anyways, look at this. Just came down this little trail here. Some old buildings. And a beautiful beach. Look at this. That perfect palm tree leaning over the water kind of beach. White sand. Hey, you want to go swimming? There you go. Go swimming, buddy. Look at that. They're sea anemone urchins. I don't know what those things are. But pretty amazing little beach. Well, we'll probably kick back here for a little bit. I'm gonna make some coffee and I bought some banana bread, so I'll have some coffee and banana bread and hang out. Looks pretty cool. The other side of the beach, we're just in a smaller cove, and little Po is taking us on the secret jungle route to the other side because it's kind of a high tide right now. Slow. Careful. Slow. Po, you go main beach? Main beach? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Hold on, slow down. Slow down. Slow. Slow. Slow, Po. Ooh, it's steep. Slow. Hold on. Easy. 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 Slow. Hey, quit pulling. Quit pulling. No pulling. No pulling. Yikes. Okay. Quit pulling. Come on. Look at all this quartz coming out in the rock here. Hey, so we found our way onto another beach. The little kuyas, the little munchkins in the surf down there by the cliffy area. They were snorkeling around there. We might go get our snorkel later today and do some of that. But there's some shade trees here we can get under later today. I brought water and coffee and banana bread and stuff. So I think we're gonna walk down here, find a primo spot and make some coffee and have some banana bread and just relax on the beach for a while. Let Wanagi be a dog and me be a relaxed human, because that's what we needed. And then I think today we're going to contemplate what we're going to do as far as the next leg of the journey, whether we're going to stay here a few more days or just move on. Mindoro is a beautiful place. Obviously, anywhere in the Philippines, the beauty is amazing. But like I said earlier, I think Cebu has more infrastructure, yet it has province. So it has the city and the outlying communities. With the slower island life, and but it has hospitals and an airport and all this other commercialized stuff, which would make life a lot easier getting settled, at least for the first part. So we'll see what we do, but otherwise we're having fun. Look at this coastline. It's just beautiful, just amazing. Hey, so I wanted to show you this. Look at this resort. It's pretty amazing. Huge resort. Great big nipa buildings, but they're all covered up. I don't know, it says private property. I'm guessing it's a beach resort, but the thing is it's winter time here, so pretty much everything's closed down. Normal traffic. Come here. Morning, how's it going? We got our little camp stove in the way here, but Wanagi and I are just kicking on the beach, listening to some cool spiritual music, listening to the waves, having a cup of coffee, and she's having breakfast over here. She's got her little kibble of water and stuff. But she went swimming. There was a little river down here, and she went swimming in there. It's much cooler, even colder than the ocean water. But I figured we'd just hang out on the beach today for a little bit, and then maybe even go check out a waterfall. There's like 3 of them around here. You have to hike to them, but they're really cool, clear turquoise colored pools, and the water's really cold. Not, 30 degrees, but more like 60s, low 60s, so much cooler than even the ocean. But that's the plan. It's a beautiful morning, some cloud cover, so the sun's being blocked, which is nice. It doesn't get as hot then. And we're under a nice acacia tree. Under a beautiful acacia tree, a closed down resort. It's for the season, it's closed. And just a beautiful bay. But look at this bay, our view this morning. Just beautiful. Wanagi's just having a good one. Yeah. So that's all we got going on. Cool. We'll check in later. Why do I even say that? Who cares, huh? But yeah, we're just enjoying the view and relaxing. A nice best meal of the day, I like to say. Cup of coffee and some banana bread. We stopped at a pastry shop and got some homemade, basically, banana bread. And so just coffee and that. All right, we'll enjoy the view, huh? Swimming shark. Swimming shark. I don't know example of sea level rising, but this definitely used to be some restaurant or resort at some point. But pretty cool. Just definitely storm damaged. We're on the Pacific side, so it does get waves. Yeah, so we're walking down a narrow walkway to a place called White Beach, which is on Mindoro Island. But I just thought this was kind of a cool alleyway. It's a tight little squeeze for us. But like a rat in a maze, looking for the cheese. We're looking for the cheese. Be gone. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, tourist stuff. Lots of shops.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you? Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Yeah, yeah. Come on, let's go. Whee! Nope. Come on, buddy. Hello, how's it going? So we're here at the famous White Beach in Mindoro. It's not the off season right now, but definitely a party spot. This whole front area here is restaurants and bars and all that kind of stuff. I'm sure some clubs upstairs in some of these places. Woo, boy, that's an angry dog there. He's talking smack at Wanagi.
Sarili niya yun.
Come on. Yeah, buddy. Come on. The old sandcastle shop for 20 pesos, man. Good racket. It's a pretty clean racket right there. Love that. Anyways. You wanna go swimming? Hold on. Swinagi swimming at White Beach. Go swimming. She's cooling off. It's a little warm out here in the sun today. Got some cloud cover coming though. It should cool off once clouds come. But just amazing. Look at these mountains just all the way around here. And then some islands off here. Good girl, buddy. Was that nice? That was a good swim, huh? Pizza's good in any country. So this is a 4-cheese pizza we got here in White Beach, Mindoro. And Wanagi's asleep, but I'll make sure she gets her fair share of the pizza too. We're gonna enjoy. Looks like a hand-tossed crust. Good pizza. We'll give it a go. Cool. Hey, how's it going? So it's kind of noisy, but it's because we're up in Talawani Falls. It's actually a rainy day, so normally these would be emerald green pools, but they're a little chocolatey today. Exciting on the way up. Not good exciting. We passed a cobra. It was in the water swimming across, and we just kind of held out, waited until it crossed. Kind of crazy, but a native guide here, indigenous people, the Malawang people, M-A-L-A-N-G-A people. It's a tribe at the lower part of this falls. But we're gonna go swimming in here, even though it's chocolate. We're gonna get a little wet. Wanagi's covered in salt water, so I figured we could rinse her off. We're gonna be taking a ferry late tonight or tomorrow morning first thing, so that's what we figured we'd do, is get her rinsed off and get me rinsed off. So that's what we're gonna do right now. How deep it gets, but oh, it's nice and cold too. Woo! Yeah. Oh! It's definitely muddy water, but You know, oh my God, it feels so good though. Hopefully no cobras in here. But Wanagi's just messing off. She's not sure what to make of it. Normally these, like I said, emerald green, but not on a day like today where it's raining. But it is running better on a day like today. It would just be not pouring off there. It'd be probably, that's probably 5 times what it normally is in the off season here. So, but pretty amazing. But yeah, just incredible, pretty amazing. In the middle of the jungle. I was gonna fly my drone, but because of the rain, probably not. Here, have some water. How's that feel? Does that feel good, folks? You feeling good, honey? Come here. Come on, come here. Let's swim. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on, swim. Come on, swim. That's a good girl, buddy. Yeah. Well, we're just gonna do a quick trip. It was just really, you know what? It's 300 pesos, $6 basically. A cool little hike. And then we'll go down in the village and take some pictures and some video, because they're actually doing a bunch of handcrafted baskets and all sorts of other weaves. Pretty cool. Here's our guide right here. Yeah, so we'll make a quick trip of it. Our way down. We're just walking our way down through the jungle, and the falls just are continuing to cascade down. It's okay. Come on. Come on, bud. Slow, buddy. Slow. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Whew. Come on. Hey. Yeah, he's on the back. You gotta be careful. So this is right here is where we saw the cobra when we were coming in. Well, Enrique saw the cobra, spotted it, and I saw the tail of it move through the water. So we're gonna go by here pretty quick. I gotta get on my ass though, because this rock is slick as snot. Nope. Come on. Hello. So we finished our hike up to the waterfalls, and we're headed back down into the village, which will be cool. And they have a lot of crafts. Like I said, I would film a little bit of that, and then, whew, yeah. Come on. So we're coming in back into the village here. Enrique. The name of your village and tribe?
This here?
Yes.
Iraya Mangan tribe.
Iraya Mangan tribe. Right on. And the name of the village? Is there?
Talipanan Mangan village.
Right on. And here's all the kids. They're playing basketball and volleyball and
Volleyball.
yeah, yes, good.
Basketball. So no rain. This in the night. This night have playing basketball or tournament.
Oh, tournament tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So the other place.
Oh, another village will come, or another group of people?
Yeah.
Look at all this beautiful work. Look, it's all hand weaved. This is all handmade here. Incredible. Okay. Hello. It's beautiful work. Hello, how are you? Here, watch, honey.
There you go.
So beautiful.
From Bures.
For Bures.
Yes, natural.
It's so beautiful. Oh, a turtle. Look, Turtle Island.
Yeah.
This is America. Turtle Island. America is.
We have in America.
This is indigenous people believe America is a turtle. A turtle. The whole country is a turtle. So yes, this I was telling him is she is a Native American Indian dog. She is Lakota Sioux tribe, indigenous from America. Yeah. But turtle is it. Yeah, that's it. I'll come back in. I'm gonna go here and film and I'll be back. Okay. Hello. So they're in here weaving. Hello. Amazing.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Good. Natural weaving. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.